Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find system settings. As you can see, on the very first position we've got the system navigation option, which is the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here we've got two different options. So first of all, here we've got the buttons, which is currently applied. As you can see, we've got 3 buttons navigation. If you'd like to stick with this option, you can customize it just by reordering the buttons, so you can switch the places of the back button and the recents. It's up to you. But if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this animation here. Your device will ask you if you want to learn the gestures, so you can go through the tutorial of how to use them, but let me simply go back because I will show you how to use the gestures. So as you can see, this option has been immediately applied. Right now we've got only this this characteristic line which can show us that we are using the gestures right now, and here we've got some options thanks to which we can customize it. So we can hide the gesture bar, and I will turn on this option just by tapping on this switcher because I prefer the, let's say, this clean look without this line. You can also decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback on the back navigation. You can switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention, or if you'd like to, you can go through the gesture tutorial. Just tap on it, and here we've got the let's say animation and its instruction how to use them. So let me show you how to use the gestures. So first of all, if you'd like to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and as you can see, this arrow will appear, and after that you will simply have to release the finger. So it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or the right, it will work the same. And as you can see, you can just go back to the system settings. Let me do it from the left side and the general settings. If you'd like to go back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the home page. And if you'd like to enter the recents, you have to swipe your finger up again, but hold it somewhere here. So let me do it. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. So basically this is it. This is how to change 3 buttons navigation type to the gestures in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.